G'day, it's Goldman here once again doing another coin test. This time I'm doing the 12x8 EVO using the 5-cent coin and the $2 coin. Now this machine is just a machine I got at random out of my collection. It does have the PL4 software update, if that's what it's known as, the latest version. So what I'm going to do is go over this 5-cent coin and the $2 coin. Then at the end of this video I will then drop the Threshold-B way under null to show you the performance increase you can expect to get when you use the Threshold-B for looking for rising pitch targets. So I've performed a factory reset. This machine is at null, and here we go. So we're approaching 9 inches there. Still getting response at 9 inches. And there's a plane going overhead, which is annoying. So I'm getting the response, I can just hear that with my ears, at 9 inches with the 5-cent coin. I'm going to swap this out now for the $2 coin, and because this is about the same size, I expect it to be the same depth more or less on the other side of the detection hole. Now you'll notice this time the target response is now inverted. It's now a low high. Getting up there, just losing it at 9. I can hear it in the speaker. So at 9 inches there, I think I'm pretty much over the centre. Yep, I'm over the centre. So now what I'll do, so that was the 5-cent coin and the $2 coin both at 9. I'll switch this back to the 5-cent coin and I'll show you the difference that Threshold-B makes for rising pitch targets. So here we are, still at null. So 9 inches. Now I'm going to drop that down to be it's 4 under null. So I'm losing that at about 11 inches. Go one more under null. So it's about 12 inches. I can get that if I push Threshold-B down a little bit so it's chirpy. Just when it's quiet, it's about 11 inches. So you can see that Threshold-B, when used to your advantage with small targets, can actually make a big difference to your detection depth. However, this test is not a performance test. This is more about setting the detector to factory defaults, setting Threshold-B to null, and doing the coin test to see whether or not your detector performs the same as mine. And if it doesn't, well, then it's worth sending it back to get Howard to update the software. Note, this is the latest software. This is the PL4. This is the software that's in the PL4. It's being backdated and put into the PL3s when they come back for an update. And as you can see there, it's a really sensitive update. It does work very well. Quiet and quite responsive. Alright, end of story. Goldman out.